Parents always want to give their children the best they can, be it luxuries or necessities. They want the best for them and their health and realize the role food plays in keeping them healthy. National Nutrition Week is being celebrated from 1st to 7th September every year. This time, the theme of Nutrition Week is Eat Right, Bite by Bite. So before starting today's video, this is Tanya and you are watching Socialite Tanya. Parents consider every option to provide their children with the right nutrition and diet. However, during this process, they often end up developing myths due to a large number of opinions and beliefs that surround us. So, let's talk about 4 common diet myths that can hamper child's health. This is a misconception that if children eat frequently, it will advance their growth and development. The fact is that healthy eating habits like fixed time of having meals, eating according to the appetite, healthy snacking, and a balanced diet are the growth determinants. Fruit juice is a healthy boosting beverage, especially when compared with sugary beverages like sodas and soft drinks. However, it is not healthy as serving a whole fruit. Fiber is extremely important for a healthy body and fruit juice does not contain fiber, which a whole fruit does. Many parents secretly put veggies and other healthy ingredients in their child's meal. While this may work in the short term, they are not developing the habit to eat a healthy diet. It is important to make them understand the concept of healthy eating. Consuming too much sugar is in fact bad for health. It can lead to sugar addiction, which can harm children both physically and psychologically. Hence, parents should monitor their child's sugar intake levels regularly and not encourage overconsumption of sugar. Now, let's talk about the essential nutrients that parents must serve kids for better growth and development. Calcium is on the top of the list of nutrients for kids. Calcium is mainly responsible for the development of healthy bones and teeth. Milk is the best source of calcium. Other sources of calcium include cheese, yogurt, spinach, broccoli, tofu, and many more. Iron helps in proper development of the child as it helps the red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body. Whole grains, beans, nuts, fortified cereals, beans, lentils, and green leafy vegetables are some good sources of iron. Vitamin C is loaded with many health benefits. It helps in building a strong immune system. It also supports better skin and hair. Citrus foods are the best sources of vitamin C. Vitamin D helps in the better absorption calcium. Calcium needs a source for better absorption. It will altogether help in building better bones and teeth. Vitamin D will also offer other health benefits like better immunity, improved brain function, and better functioning of the nervous system. Lastly, some fuss-free nutritious options for your child to start his or her day. You can give your child milk before leaving for school, but this is just in case your child likes the taste of milk. You can serve the milk with jaggery or chyawanprash. You can serve your child with what is popular known as nuts and dried fruits, trail mix, including almonds, pistachios, cashews, and walnuts. Dried fruits that can be added include raisins, dates, apricots, and dried dates. Opting for a local and seasonal fruit for your child can work wonders for his or her health. Banana is a fruit which can be served in all months. Avoid the fruit which has traveled more than 150 kilometers to reach your plate and is packed in plastic. This 2020, let us all try to create a healthier and happier future for kids. Remember, if you don't make time for your wellness, you will be forced to make time for your illness. Hope you all enjoyed watching. Happy Nutrition Week to all. Stay healthy, eat healthy. Thank you.